So what is an employee value proposition, an EVP, and why is it important? Hi, welcome to the Let's Talk Talent channel, where we discuss the world of HR and talent management. We're here to help you unlock the potential in your people. So when I think about an EVP, an employee value proposition, I like to think about it really simply. I'm a simple soul at heart. I don't want to overcomplicate it with loads of jargon and reasons why. An EVP is simply your shop window as an organisation to how you get, keep and grow great people. It's as simple as that. So don't overcomplicate it with loads of jargon, making it vague, really complex. And why is it important? It's because you really need to think about how you're attracting the talent that are going to help your business grow. But most people think about an EVP just in terms of the marketing, so the shiny careers website, the way that it looks, your social channels. For me, it's much more important than that. Because if it tells you the soul of an organisation, the purpose, the mission, and joins up the what and the how, you're going to really create an ecosystem, an environment where people can really thrive. And that enables you to get, keep and grow great people, but it also enables you to create sponsors and advocates that live long in the memory. I remember that from the best places that I've worked at, the BBC, Channel 4 and Talk, because they gave me the heart as well as the head. And while I left those organisations, I still remember what they stood for and why I worked for them. Can you say the same thing about your organisation? So when you're thinking about an EVP, don't just think about it as the shiny stuff, the shop window. Think about how you're telling people the story of why you existed, how they can make a big difference to your organisation and what they're ultimately going to be doing. So that's why I think an EVP is important and why you should be thinking about it yourselves. Do you agree with my thinking around an EVP and why it's important? I'd love to hear your thoughts, so please leave your comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more useful HR and talent management video content. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.